There are only a few trading styles that actually work, but only of them will work for you. And if you choose wrong, you'll keep losing, no matter how hard you try. Right after that moment, when you feel like you finally understand the market, when you think this is the strategy that's going to change everything, something breaks. The trade doesn't go your way. Your confidence drops. And suddenly, you're back to where you started, confused, frustrated, and questioning everything. Here's the truth no one told you. The real reason you're losing isn't your strategy. It's not even the market. It's you copying someone else's trading style without even realizing it. Every day, you open YouTube, scroll through videos, and see traders making it look easy. One guy is scalping, fast entries, quick profits, in and out within minutes. Another is swing trading, holding positions for days, calmly riding trends. And then there's someone else showing long-term positions, talking about patience and discipline. And without thinking, you start mixing all of it. One day you're scalping because it looks exciting. The next day you're holding trades because someone said, "Let your winners run." You're jumping between styles like you're trying on clothes that were never made for you. And this is where everything starts to fall apart. Because trading isn't just about strategy, it's about alignment. Your personality, your patience level, your risk tolerance, time availability, everything has to match the style you're trading. But instead, most traders are building a system based on borrowed beliefs. You're not trading your system, you're trading someone else's life. Think about it like this. Imagine trying to run a marathon with sprinting speed. That's exactly what most traders are doing. You're exhausting yourself trying to keep up with a pace that isn't sustainable for you. You see someone making quick profits, so you try to move fast. Then you see someone holding trades for bigger gains, so you force yourself to be patient, even when your mind is screaming to close the trade, constantly fighting yourself, and that internal conflict is what's draining your account. The worst part. You don't even realize it's happening. You think you're improving. You think you're learning more strategies, gaining more knowledge. But in reality, you're creating confusion. Every new method you adopt without mastering the previous one adds another layer of doubt. And doubt is deadly in trading. Because the moment you doubt your system, hesitate. And when you hesitate, you either miss good trades or you enter bad ones late. And then you blame the market. But it's not the market. It's the lack of clarity. It's the fact that deep down, you don't have something you truly believe in. Because how can you? You didn't build it. You copied pieces of it. And when pressure hits, when real money is on the line, borrowed confidence disappears. That's why you can follow a strategy perfectly in backtesting, but fail to execute it in real trades. Emotionally, it's not yours. And I know exactly how that feels. Sitting in front of your screen, watching a trade go slightly against you, and your mind starts racing. Should I close it? Should I hold? What would that YouTuber do? That right there, that question is the problem. Because in that moment, you're not a trader, you're a follower. And followers don't make consistent money in the market. You start overanalyzing everything. One small loss shakes your confidence. Then you jump to another strategy, hoping it will fix everything. But it never does. Because the problem was never the strategy. It was the lack of identity behind it. You're trying to trade like someone who has a completely different mindset, different schedule, different emotional control. And it's costing you. The market doesn't reward imitation. It rewards consistency. And consistency only comes when you understand yourself. When you know exactly why you're entering a trade, why you're exiting, and why you're managing risk the way you do. Not because someone else said so, but because it makes sense to you. Right now, most traders are stuck in a cycle. Learn, try, fail, switch, repeat. And every time they fail, they think they're missing something. Some secret indicator, perfect strategy. But the truth is much simpler and much harder to accept. You're not losing because you don't know enough. You're losing because you don't trust what you're doing. And trust doesn't come from copying. It comes from building. If you're watching this and thinking, that's me, I've been jumping from one style to another. I've been following different traders hoping something sticks. Good. That awareness is the first step. It means you're finally starting to see the real problem. You don't need another strategy. You need to stop pretending to be someone else in the market. Because the moment you start trading in a way that actually fits you, everything changes. Scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. You've probably heard these terms 100 times. But instead of boring definitions, let's break them down in a way you'll actually feel, because choosing the wrong style is one of the fastest ways to destroy your account. Let's start with scalping, pure speed. Think of a scalper like a sniper with rapid fire, quick trigger, fast execution, no hesitation. You're in the market for seconds, maybe a few minutes. You're not here to analyze life. You're here to strike and move. It's intense. Your heart is racing, your eyes locked on the chart. Every tick matters. Style is for people who thrive under pressure, who can make decisions instantly without second guessing. But here's the catch. One moment of hesitation, one emotional mistake, everything falls apart. Scalping rewards precision, but punishes emotion instantly. Now shift to day trading. This is control, focusing. Imagine a professional fighter in a ring, calm, calculated, waiting for the right moment to strike, but still active throughout the match. Traders enter and exit within the same day. No overnight stress. No surprises while you sleep. You're watching the market, reading it, reacting, but not rushing. It's not as fast as scalping, but it's not slow either. That perfect middle ground where patience meets action. But here's the reality. If your focus breaks, if you get distracted, you miss opportunities, or worse, bad ones. Day trading demands presence, not just physically, but mentally. Then comes swing trading. This is where things slow down, but the game gets deeper. Think of a swing trader as a hunter waiting for the perfect shot. No rush, no chasing, just watching, analyzing, waiting. You might hold trades for days, sometimes even weeks. You're not reacting to every small move, you're capturing the bigger picture. This style gives you breathing room. You don't need to sit in front of charts all day. You don't need lightning, fast decisions. But patience becomes everything. Because sometimes the market tests you, moves slowly. It pulls back, it makes you doubt your trade. And if you don't trust your analysis, you'll exit too early and watch the move happen without you. And finally, position trading. This is long-term vision. Think of it like being an investor planting seeds not for today, not for tomorrow, but for months, even years ahead. Position traders are like chess players thinking 10 moves ahead while everyone else is focused on the next move. They don't care about small fluctuations, panic over short-term losses. They believe in the bigger trend. This style is calm, almost quiet. But it requires a different kind of strength, the ability to ignore noise. Because while others are panicking over small drops, you're holding your ground, trusting the long-term direction. And that's not easy. It takes discipline on a completely different level. Now here's where most traders mess up. They don't choose a style, they mix them. One day they're a scalper, jumping in and out, chasing quick profits. The next day they become a swing trader, holding trades longer because maybe it'll go higher. And sometimes accidentally turn into position traders, holding losing trades for weeks, hoping they'll come back. That's not strategy, that's confusion. Style is a completely different mindset. A scalper can't think like a swing trader. A position trader can't react like a scalper. It's like trying to be a sprinter and a marathon runner at the same time. One requires explosive speed, the other requires endurance. If you try to do both without understanding yourself, you'll fail at both. So the real question isn't which style makes the most money. The real question is which style fits you. Are you someone who loves fast action, quick decisions, high intensity? Or do you prefer calm analysis, patience, and waiting for the perfect setup? Do you have hours to sit in front of charts, or just a few minutes a day? Your answers to these questions matter more than any strategy you'll ever learn. Because when your personality matches your trading style, everything starts to click, forcing trades. You stop feeling stressed. You stop jumping from one method to another. And most importantly, you start becoming consistent. Don't just pick a style because it looks exciting. Don't copy someone because they're making money. Understand the game you're playing and choose the role that fits you best. Because in trading, it's not about doing everything, it's about doing the right thing for you. Answer these honestly, no pretending, no deal trader mindset. Just you. Do you get impatient quickly? Like you enter a trade and within minutes you're already thinking, why isn't it moving? Do you feel the urge to close early just to do something? Can you hold a trade overnight without stress? Or does your mind keep racing, checking your phone, thinking about, what if the market gaps against me? Do you check charts every 5 minutes? Be honest. Even when you say you won't, do you still open the chart again and again and again? Losses affect your mood instantly. Like one bad trade ruins your focus for the next one. Or are you the opposite, calm, slow, able to wait without feeling pressure? Now pause for a second, because your answers here matter more than any strategy you've ever learned. Let's decode you. If you're someone who gets impatient quickly, who wants action, who feels uncomfortable waiting, then you're naturally wired for scalping. Fast decisions, quick entries, quick exits. You don't want to sit around, you want movement. But here's the truth, you'll only win if you control that impatience, otherwise it turns into overtrading. If you're thinking, no way I can sleep with a trade open, if overnight positions stress you out, then day trading is your lane. You get in, you get out, and you close everything before the day ends. Peace of mind, clear head, no surprises. This style protects your psychology more than anything. If you're calm, if you can wait, if you don't feel the need to constantly interfere, then you're built for swing trading. You can let trades breathe. You understand that big moves take time. You're the type who can sit back while others panic, and that's a powerful edge. And if you're emotionally strong, almost detached, if you don't care about small ups and downs, if you think long-term naturally, then position trading fits you. You're not here for quick wins, you're here for big trends. You see the bigger picture while others are stuck in noise. Now here's the part most people ignore. There is no best style. There is only the style that matches you. If your personality and your trading style don't align, you will always feel uncomfortable. And when you feel uncomfortable, you make mistakes. You exit too early, you enter too late. You overthink, you hesitate. But when your style matches your personality, something powerful happens. Trading starts to feel natural, forcing trades. You stop copying others. You stop questioning every decision. And instead you start trusting yourself. So read those questions again, answer them honestly. Because hidden inside your answers is the trading style that can finally make you consistent. The biggest mistake is not choosing the wrong trading style, it's trying to trade AL styles at once. Let that sink in, because this is exactly what's happening to most traders right now. You're not failing because you picked scalping or day trading or swing trading. You're failing because you're jumping between them like there are no rules. One moment you're scalping, fast entries, quick exits, chasing small moves. Then suddenly, a trade goes slightly against you, and instead of closing it like a scalper should, you hold it. Now you've turned into a swing trader, and when that trade goes even deeper into loss, you tell yourself, fine, I'll just hold long term. Now you've become a position trader without even realizing it. That's not flexibility. That's confusion. How accounts get destroyed. Because every trading style comes with a completely different psychology. Scalping requires speed, instant decision making, and emotional control under pressure. Day trading requires focus, discipline, and the ability to stay present for hours. Swing trading demands patience and trust in your analysis. Position trading requires long-term belief and emotional detachment. These mindsets don't mix. Think like a scalper and a swing trader at the same time. One tells you to exit quickly. The other tells you to hold. One thrives on action. The other thrives on patience. When you try to combine them, your brain gets stuck in conflict. And when your mind is in conflict, your execution breaks. You hesitate, guess, you break your own rules. And the worst part, you don't even notice it in the moment. You think you're adapting. But in reality, reacting emotionally. You can't be a scalper in the morning and a swing trader at night. That's not strategy, that's chaos. Read that again. Strategy is built on consistency, on repetition, on doing the same thing over and over until it becomes second nature. But if you keep switching styles, you never give yourself the chance to master anything. You stay stuck at the beginner level forever. It's like trying to learn 4 different sports at the same time. One day you're playing football, the next day you're trying basketball, then swimming, then boxing. You might understand the basics of each, but you'll never become great at any of them. Trading works the same way. Mastery requires focus. Focus requires choosing only path. Right now, most traders are not losing because the market is hard. They're losing because their approach is inconsistent. No structure, no identity, no clear set of rules that they follow every single day. One trade is based on a scalping mindset. The next trade is based on swing logic, random outcomes, no consistency, no confidence, no growth. So if you've been feeling stuck, if you've been wondering why nothing seems to work, this could be your answer. It's not that trading doesn't work, it's that you're trying to trade everything at once. And until you fix that, nothing will change. The moment you commit to only style, the moment you align your mindset with a single approach, that's when clarity starts to build, that's when confidence starts to grow. And that's when your results finally begin to make sense. Now let's turn everything you've just learned into something practical, something you can actually use starting today. Because knowledge without action changes nothing. Right now, you don't need more information, you need a clear path. So here's a simple, powerful 3-step action plan that can completely shift the way you trade. Step 1: Own style based on your personality. Not based on what looks exciting. Not based on what someone on YouTube is making money from. And definitely not based on what you wish you could do. This decision has to be honest. Go back to the questions you answered earlier. Look at your natural behavior. Are you impatient? Do you need fast results to stay focused? Then scalping might be your lane. Do you hate the idea of holding trades overnight? Then day trading makes more sense. Are you calm, patient, and okay with waiting days for a setup? That points towards swing trading. And if you're emotionally steady, term-focused, and not affected by short-term noise, then position trading could be your edge. This step is about alignment. When your personality matches your trading style, you stop fighting yourself. You stop forcing trades that don't feel right. Stop copying others and start building your own identity in the market. And let me be clear, this is not a temporary choice. This is a commitment. Style, you're choosing it. Step 20: Stick to it for 30 days. This is where most people fail. Pick a style, and then abandon it after a few losing trades. They start doubting the process. They think, maybe this isn't for me. And then they jump to another strategy, another method, another style, restarting the cycle all over again. Not judge a trading style in 3 trades, or 5 trades, or even 10 trades. You need consistency. For the next 30 days, your only job is to follow one style. No switching. No. Just this one trade, outside your rules. If you choose scalping, then every trade follows scalping logic, quick entries, quick exits. If you choose swing trading, you let trades play out over days. You don't interfere just because you feel uncomfortable. This 30-day period is not about making money. That's important to understand. It's about building discipline. It's about training your mind to follow a structured approach. Because without discipline, even the best strategy will fail. But with discipline, a simple strategy can become powerful. And yes, you will feel uncomfortable at times. That's normal, because you're breaking old habits. You're no longer jumping from one style to another. You're no longer reacting emotionally. You're sticking to a plan, and that requires mental strength. But this is where growth happens. Step 3: Track your results and improve. Most traders don't do this, and that's why they stay stuck. If you don't track what you're doing, you have no idea what's working and what's not. You're just guessing. And guessing leads to inconsistency. So for every trade you take, write it down. Entry, exit, reason for the trade, what you felt during the trade. Did you follow your rules or break them? What went right? What went wrong? At the end of each week, review everything. Start to notice patterns. Maybe you're entering too early. Maybe you're exiting too quickly. Maybe your best trades happen at a certain time of day. Maybe your worst trades come from emotional decisions. This is how real improvement happens. Not by watching more videos, not by adding more indicators, by understanding your own behavior and refining it. Because once you see your mistakes clearly, you can fix them. And once you start fixing them, your results begin to change. Now imagine this: 30 days of focused trading, 30 days of one consistent style, 30 days of tracking, learning. You won't be the same trader. You'll have clarity. You'll have structure. And most importantly, you'll have confidence. Confidence doesn't come from winning trades. It comes from knowing exactly what you're doing and why you're doing it. Right now, most traders are lost because they're chasing everything, every new strategy, every new method, every new secret. But the truth is, success in trading doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing less better. So keep it simple. Choose your style. Commit to it. Track your progress. That's it. Cuts. No distractions. No jumping around. Because the moment you stop chasing every strategy and start mastering one style, that's when everything changes.